Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. Let me walk you through how you can easily reorder statuses by following some easy steps. First, to access the status settings, navigate to your Clickup workspace and then select the space where you want to reorder the status. Tap on your workspace. After that, you can see I have my list section here. Tap on your list section. Here you can see under the overview section, you have a group which is named as status. So tap on status, click on it to access the list of status for that particular list. Now when you click on status, then you have your list under the list section. You should see a list of all the statuses currently configured for that list. To move a status down, simply click and hold the status you want to move and then drag it to the desired position below. Now, once you have rearranged the statuses to your liking, make sure to save your changes. At the right side, you can find this Save button here. Just tap on Save and it will be saved. After saving, go back to your list to view your order to ensure that the statuses are now in the desired order. I have successfully rearranged my list from here. By following these steps, you can easily move By following these steps, you can easily move your statuses down in ClickUp to better organize your workflow. That's it for today. We will see you in the next tutorial.